Okay, so we're going to show you what the inside of a parking garage looks like. So stay tuned and I'll come back and show you this whole little underground scene, and I'll explain some of these lighting too. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here we are in Macau. There's some Macau landmark. We're in Lisboa. So we're going to walk into this one, and as we walk, I'm just going to show you something that's kind of cool about these parking garages in Macau is these green lights. So you can see that where there's empty lots at with the green. Right now it's kind of late. It's like 8 o'clock, and the red one, of course, are where cars are already occupied. So it's and there's also another computer. When cars are entering, they can see the number of how many spots are available downstairs in that parking lot, so they can decide if they want to go in or not. I think we'll maybe show you coming up here. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so there's some numbers right there. So let me just see. Oh, there's somebody's playing loud music. So this is the exit and entry, so you can use these things called the Macau Pass, and then you can get in or out. And there's a number right there. You can see them right there, but I'm gonna show it over here. So this means that there's 347 green open spaces over here for parking. That means there's 78 if you go straight. So basically left, right, and straight. So there's like 59 that direction, 59 green openings, 79, 78, 347. So there's a lot of them down that way. And then when you come out, you can use something called a Macau Pass. I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this. So these things work in these parking garages. And then when you go in or out, it'll kind of tell you exactly how many spaces are available. So if you decide you don't want to, it'll also say if it's full. So a lot of times, like if I'm in the United States where I'm from, you might have to, let me see, let's kind of go through it a little bit. Yeah, you might have to, sorry, I'm kind of, my speech kind of stopped, didn't it? But yeah, you might have to drive around and kind of look around and kind of see. So there you go. I guess I'll close it right there, and we're gonna come on out. But I want to just kind of go in and just kind of show you what they look like. And yeah, this is what they look like. All right, hope you enjoyed this one. Open space. Closed spaces, the red ones. Okay. Chiquinha, chiquinha.